When choosing a technology tool for this assignment, I wanted to make sure I selected something that would keep my students engaged. My number one priority was to pick a tool that would get students excited for assessments and that they could relate to. Quizizz is a free formative assessment tool that allows teachers to conduct fun assessments both in class and as homework. The main reason why I chose Quizizz is because it allows for optional music, fun memes, and gives immediate feedback. The general purpose of Quizizz is to create formative assessments to test your students' knowledge. The quizzes may also be used as checking an understanding or as an exit ticket. To use it as an exit ticket, end your lesson with a Quizizz game to understand common misconceptions with the day's lesson. Once those misconceptions are recognized, you can revisit and reteach them. The quizzes can be originally created, borrowed, or modified from an existing quiz. But the best part about generating a quiz is that the students can do it too. Quizizz Editor makes it easy to create quizzes in a quick manner, and while students are taking the quiz and having fun, teachers are provided with detailed class and student-level data. The features of Quizizz are that it is student-paced, can be played on any device, it has thousands of public quizzes, it has an excellent editor, gives detailed reports, and there are many options to customize the quiz. As you can see here, Quizizz is offered in many different languages. To join a game, you enter a 6-digit code and then click Proceed. If you do not have a game code, you can play live games. In order to create a game, you have to sign up or you can log into your existing account. To enter a game without a 6-digit code, you must click on this Get Started button. That button will take you to a page where you can find quizzes on these existing subjects. If you cannot find what you want in a subject, you can search a keyword. The keyword I am using is genetics because it is based off of the standard that I chose to use for my student learning objectives. As you can see, there are many quizzes already created at different levels in order for students to find and play. As you place the mouse over these quizzes, it gives you a preview of the questions that it will be asking. And up here, you can sort by most relevant, or played, or recent, and you can filter by all grades or any of your choosing. If you find a quiz that you would like to play, just move the mouse over that quiz, come over here, and click Play. If you do not have a quiz that you need to complete for class, there is still a list of popular quizzes that you may complete just for fun. A specific student learning objective, or SLO, that I could use Quizizz for to be used as part of an instructional strategy derives from the PA standard for first grade genetics. The SLO states, students will describe the important components of genetics. This tool will be perfect for the SLO because Quizizz is fun for everyone and the creators are always trying to keep things interesting. By keeping things fun for the students, even the driest concepts can be made exciting to learn. Quizizz is a fun and entertaining technology tool that gets students excited to learn. It is easy to use and is effective for formative assessments. It is student-paced and creates an inclusive learning environment. It gives students real-time feedback that helps identify topics and what you should focus on the most. The question library is full of quizzes that cover content of all topics and grade levels. It also gives students a chance to collaborate by involving them in the quiz creation process and work together in teams. Overall, I think this tool is an excellent way to incorporate fun into your classroom while still doing quality work.